Rams, and welcome back to Htvs. We've got a homecoming assembly going on. It'll be great, so make sure to head down to that.
We have a game today against Juan Diego at home. The theme is gold and white at 7.
Also, make sure to come to the homecoming dance. It'll be this Saturday at 8. Make sure to bring your school ID to get in for free. Go Rams!
What's up, guys? It's Henry from Htvs, and I'll be asking someone to homecoming. Will you go to homecoming with me?
I'd love to go to homecoming with you. Oh my gosh. Will you be the MJ to my Peter and swing to homecoming with me? Whoa, that's great. I'd love to go to homecoming.
All right.
Yes, let's go. Hey guys, be sure to go to homecoming this Saturday.
The theme is Spider-Man Homecoming. Dance is at 8.
Hi Rams, today I'm going to teach you a short psychology trick to be able to help yourself keep focused on the most important thing at a particular moment. First of all, emotions can get in the way of my brain's ability to concentrate. So if I get really happy about something, that can be distracting to my brain. If my emotions go down and I get angry or sad, that can also affect my brain's ability to concentrate. So there's a little tip I can give you to help your brain concentrate. So this works because my brain can only focus on one thing at a time. The idea of multitasking is actually a myth. Our brain only places its attention on one thing at a time. So what we want to do is be able to get our brain focusing on where it should be focused. So I want you to ask yourself a question, Rams. Anytime your brain starts getting distracted, physically ask yourself, what's the most important thing right now? And that gives my brain a reset to leave the emotions behind, whether it be high or low emotions, and get a reset on what's at hand. So if I'm doing homework and there's something distracting me, ask yourself, what's the most important thing right now? Oh, homework, and that'll give your brain a chance to reset on what's important. If I'm playing a sport and there's a bad call by a ref and I'm angry, ask yourself, what's the most important thing right now or this next play? And your brain gets a chance to reset itself. So I've done this myself when there's a project I had to get done and my computer wasn't working right and I had issues and I felt myself getting angry. I took a minute, I physically said, what's my most important thing right now? Oh, I gotta get this thing taken care of so my computer can work. And I focused on that. So it really helps your brain focus on the one thing that's important right now when it seems like there's a lot of input coming in or I get distracted and I don't know what I should be doing. Ask yourself, what's the most important thing right now? And it helps neutralize my brain from emotions so that I can free up my thinking space to focus on what has to be done right now.
So, I'm Henry. What's your name?
My name's Gavin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, are you going to the homecoming game or dance?
I have work, so I'm not going to the game, but I'm planning on going to the dance.
I'm actually playing in the game because I'm in the band and we're doing a pet band for it.
Nice.
We're playing music, and I am going to the dance.
Who are you going with?
I haven't done my poster yet, so I can't spoil it.
Evie Myers.
Myself.
What out to the dance?
I might meet up with some friends. Lord knows.
Nice.
Yeah, I am.
Yes, I am.
What was your favorite part about homecoming last year?
Last year, for activity, we went to a trampoline park. It was pretty fun.
Nice.
I like trampolines, so yeah.
Yeah.
They had free food. It was nice.
Nice.
Last year, just hanging out with friends, you know, seeing the outfits, eating food, just dancing. The music was all right. It wasn't bad.
Probably the activities after.
Okay.
Probably the mosh pit.
All right. Thanks for being on Htvs.
Yeah, no problem.